Here's a quick run through of the 10-ounce mug, camping mug, I guess you call it, or tumbler with lid. It's important, the first thing to do when you get your files is to extract them all onto your hard drive somewhere, rather than trying to open the PSD from the zip file. So once you've extracted them, you should see the PSD and 3 movie files. To get your design on there, come to the layer stack. This is what you'll see when you first open it. You've got this step 1 layer, so select it, double click it. Then you come through to this pass through section. You don't actually do anything here. All you need to do is double click step 2. This is the bit where you now put your design on. So you go file, place embedded, and drop on your design. And then turn off mine, because yours will be in this layer. Yours will appear in this layer stack. You just then you can drag mine in the bin when yours is on there. Close that when you are happy with its placement. Say yes. Be sure to say yes. Close this. Say yes again. When you can have a little preview with this blue scrubber indicator there. When you're ready, hit this burger menu, and just off the screen you can't see it says render video, but you can also click this icon here, which does the same thing. Now this is the dialog that pops up, and in it are all the settings you can play with, but you probably just really need to change the file name and setting the location of where you want to save it on your hard drive. You might want to change the format to QuickTime. Once you've named it and you know where you're saving it, hit the render button. That'll take a couple of minutes for me, just under 2 minutes for me, but it will vary depending on the speed of your machine. Other things to mention: the background. I've got a plain white background here, but you can switch that out for whatever you want. Just double click the background, then go File, Place Embedded, and drop in your design. And then when you're happy, close that and it'll prompt you to save. Other things to mention: shadow, toggle that on and off if you want. You can change the handle colour, just turn on the effects under the handle layer and then double click the overlay. You can change that to whatever you want. And exactly the same process for the mug itself, which is this layer called mug. Turn it on, double click it, and pick a colour. And that's everything, I think.